activity 18.1 is a general activity. You all must have experienced this, that when you must have covered your nose while passing a brick kiln, the place where bricks are made, emitting smoke, or started coughing while walking on a busy road. So this happens and all of us experience this. On the basis of your experience, compare the quality of air at a park and a busy road. So if you go to a park, then the quality of air may be clean. You will experience less dust there. You will experience that the air feels fresh, and you might experience during a particular season that the air is also cool. If you go to a busy road, air will have lot of dust and pollution. A residential area and an industrial area. If you go to a residential area where there are many places and people are living in the houses, and if you go to an industrial area, you can feel the difference in the quality of air. A busy traffic intersection at different times of the day. That is when you go to a road and you see the traffic at different times. So all of you know that early in the morning the traffic is less. As the day passes, the traffic increases, and at different times of the day, early morning, afternoon, and in the evening, you know that at the place where the traffic stops, there the air pollution will be more. Then a village and a town. If you go to any village, you can feel the difference in the air. You can feel the difference in if you drink water in a city or if you drink water in a village. You can feel the difference in the quality of water also, as well as the quality of air which you breathe. So what does the activity tell you? That we all know that there is a difference in the quality of air, difference in the quality of water in different places. What causes this difference? The main reason for the cause of difference is pollution. In one place the air is more polluted, the water is more polluted, whereas in the other place the pollution level is very less. So in this chapter we will read more about the effects of pollution and